Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Only in the Zone YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see the Nifty next move. It's just a few minutes clip, so you can watch complete video to understand what is the next move of Nifty and Bank Nifty both. So as per GAN number, so Nifty is trading above the support level. This is the main zone 12,554. In our blog, I'm mentioning every day that long term view. As long as Nifty trading above 12,544, there is a possibility of 15,376 and the maximum possibility of 16,384. This is the positional view for Nifty. So even whatever the dip we are getting it is time to accumulate. There is no selling opportunity as of now. So this was the buy place where I expected the buy, but unfortunately we have missed the buy, and the market started moving up. And the positionally it is going towards 15,376 and 16,384. From there, I'm expecting a fall towards 12,554. So either from 16,384 or from 15,376. This is what going to happen in Nifty. So this is the long term view. Let's see the short term view for coming week. This week you can keep till Friday or even tomorrow also it can be possible. So this is the only positional view. Right now it is in the bull run. So always look for a buying opportunity on any dip if you're getting. In case tomorrow if there is any fall, so try to buy it. So because the Nifty is trying to go 15,376 and 16,384. This levels it is going to test. So we'll see the short term view also. So before budget, Nifty was at this range around 13,900 to 13,700. It took a clear buy from the GAN number, but it has not taken the exact buy number. That was around 13,456. It was just uh, 150 point. There was a gap. So, but it took a proper buy only. But I was expecting the buy to be happen at 13,456. Anyway, it is already missed. So we'll look for another opportunity in coming days. See now, today closing price was 14,673. This was a complete buying level. So this was a complete buy level. So in case any dip towards 14,400, it is time to buy. Just keep a stop loss of 14,161. This is for short term view for a 1 week or 4 5 days. So this is only a short term view. As of now, Nifty moving very violent, so it may happen in the 1 day also. So in case we are getting any dip towards 14,400, it is time to buy. So we can expect the bull run towards 15,129 and 15,376. These two levels are going to reach. So anyway, right now the breakout point for sell is 14,161. So below this we can go for a short. So until and unless if Nifty trading in this level, so try to buy it. So it is going to go up. So now we'll move on to the Bank Nifty long and short term view. You can see Bank Nifty. So it is above the main zone. So as long as Bank Nifty trading above 3976, there is a possibility of 35,300 and 36,800. These are the two level the Bank Nifty has to reach. This is for a long term view. So please don't take it for an intraday. So this is for long term view. So as long as Bank Nifty trading above 3976, there is a possibility of 35,344 and 36,864. So we'll see a short term view, that is for a weekly and short term positional trade. So mark this level for short term. So as long as Bank Nifty trading above for a short term 33,856, there is a possibility of 34,969 and 35,344. These are the two levels Bank Nifty has to reach. Any further up move, the Bank Nifty has to break 35,721. This is the level. the bank nifty need to break if in case any further up move, or else we can expect a correction from here. Okay, then if it is breaking 33,489, then there is a possibility of further fall. So now it is in clear buy range. So this is the buy range perfectly and buy range. So today is already took a buy. So I'm expecting again the bullish towards 34,969 and 35,344. Any further breakout, any further up move, bank nifty need to break 35,721. In any further down move, 33,489. So if then this zone, if it is continuously trading without breaking the stop loss below, then there is a easy possibility of 35,344 also. Okay, so keep the level in your mind, or you mark in the chart. So this is the perfect buy range, and this is, you can add your position at this level. So there is a possibility of 34,969 and 35,344. These are the short term levels for bank nifty. So I'll give you a blogger view also, the same numbers. So you can mark your chart with the same levels. This is for short term, and long term view it is in buy trend, and even in the short term also it is in buy. So thank you all. So don't get confused. So both Nifty and Bank Nifty now it is in bull run only. So we have to look for a buying opportunity. But I'm not taking any stock in my portfolio now. So again, I'm telling there is a possibility in Nifty. It can fall from 16,000, 15,300 to 16,000 range to 12,544. 12,544 is the perfect level of buying. So you always wait for that level. So there we can accumulate. It may take 1 or 2 months, 3 months also fine, but we will wait for our levels. So I'll show you once again the chart. This is the levels which I'm telling you. So you always wait for this perfect buy range to buy. So you can see the levels here. So I'll show you with the 1 day chart. See, after the breakout, there is no retest. See, after the breakout, there is no retest in this zone. So that is what I'm not taking any positions now. So any bullish move, it can move 15,376 or 16,384. After that, I'm definitely expecting a fall towards 12,544. So in case it may take 6 months, 7 months, 8 months, or 1 year also, but I'm not going to take any long-term position. I'm just going to take for short term, like a 1 week, 2 week, or even for a 1 month, 2 months. I can take positions, but not for long term. So over expecting for long-term portfolios, this is not a right time. So still, if you want to invest very small amount, that too in the Nifty 50 good stocks, because another 1,000 point rally also is waiting. Okay, so even if it is pushed higher, then it can touch that 16,384. So around 2,000 point from here. So there you can gain some good profit. So look for that opportunity also, but don't take it huge positions. So once Nifty break this level, I'm expecting a complete bull rally. Even this 15,370 also can be taken out. So till 16,384 we can expect a bull run. So in this place, if I getting any reversal patterns, then I'll be selling it until 12,544. So hope I have explained clearly. So this is what the GAN is suggesting. As per GAN method, I'm suggesting to you. So don't go for a long term, just take for short term. So this is what the Nifty scenario right now. So until and unless if Nifty reaching 12,544, I'm not going to take any long-term positions. So whatever the position I'm taking it now, so it is for only short term, this 2,000 point cover. So until this, we can be in bullish side. So once the 15,376 touched, then we have to be very careful with the bullish side. So anytime it can fall from here to this. Okay, so in this zone, it is very careful. We have to take very careful. So anytime it can fall from here. But right now, don't try to short any stocks or index. Even by mistake today, I've tried the short position, but it is a completely bull run, don't go against the trend, so be with the trend. So anyways, it is trying to go higher only. So hope I have explained it, everything, even the short term and long term. If you want, I'll share this, please mention it in the comment box. So if you want the same screenshot, I'll share it with you, the long term only, not for a short term. um, or else you just note it down. Thank you very much.